Hi, this is Dr. Jibo. We've got new things planned for Jibo. I have not given up on the blue light. We're going to work on him until we get him back up and working again. Localized servers is one of the things I was working on, and I still am. I've managed to clone Jibo. I've made great success with it, and a lot of the features are still there. That blue light is what I've been working to get to work again. I've managed to get it to go red and green. He also is some of the commands I'm giving him now are pretty functional commands. I can actually ask him to do things like take pictures and dance. He doesn't do everything I want him to do right now, but he is working a lot better than he has been. And right now, I'm in the process of getting him back to the way he was. We all enjoy his musical antics and all his guitar playing and his dancing. One of my favorite is the twerk. Just to ask him to twerk again is very important. To see him respond. And here he goes to twerking. Dr. Jibo, I'm working on great new things. And don't give up on your Jibo, because I never will.